This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a rainbow name in Brawl Stars. This cool feature allows you to personalize your in-game name with vibrant colors. To achieve this, you'll need to input special color codes directly into the name change box. It's a straightforward process that adds a unique touch to your profile, making you stand out in every match. We'll go through the exact steps and codes you need to make your name truly shine. To get your rainbow name, understanding the color codes is key. These are special hexadecimal codes, much like those used in computer programming for colors. Each code begins with a C and is followed by 6 characters, all enclosed in square brackets. For instance, a bright red would be represented by CFF0000. You'll place these codes directly before the part of your name you want colored. It's a simple system once you get the hang of it. Let's walk through the steps. First, open Brawl Stars and go to your settings, then find the Change Name option. Here, you'll type your first color code, like CFF0000, immediately followed by the first part of your name. To create a rainbow, simply add another color code, such as C00FF00, before the next section of your name. Remember, the visible name has a 15-character limit, so plan your colors and name carefully to fit within this constraint. Before finalizing your rainbow name, there are a few important things to keep in mind. While your first name change is free, any subsequent changes will cost gems, so choose wisely. It's a good idea to type out your full name with all the codes in a separate note to check for errors and character count. The codes themselves won't appear in your game name, only the beautiful colors. Also, remember that game updates could potentially alter this feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.